Does it hurt?
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making something really cool. Now, as you saw in the little clips I played before, Rachel, my daughter, twisted my arm for the last several years to get a tattoo, and so I finally broke down and did it. So today we're going to be making a tattoo balm so you can take care of those new tattoos. Stay tuned. Alright, so for this particular DIY tattoo balm, we're going to need several things. First of all, we're going to be using jojoba oil. Okay, you're going to, of course, need some beeswax. I got this on Amazon, and I will share the link below. We're going to be using coconut oil. Now, you guys, you can find this anywhere. Of course, you know, Amazon has it. I'll also share a link for that below. And then you're going to need several essential oils. You can use your favorite brand. We're going to be using tea tree oil, geranium, lavender, frankincense, and let's see, Helichrysum. All of these essential oils are great for the skin, help to heal it quickly, take care of any kind of wounds, and so this is a great combination for our tattoo balm. Alright, so we're going to need also, you want to get your glass bowl and your stir rod, and I have several different containers that I'm thinking of using here. Now, so we have different sizes, and we were thinking about a 2-ounce size if you want to just have it at home to use. We also have the smaller, I think this is about a 1-ounce or a 1/2 ounce size. And then we also have the traveling size balm. I thought this would be great for taking in your purse maybe, and you can just take it out and use it as needed. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Using a double boiler, you want to fill the bottom half of the pot with water to about 2/3 full and place it over low to medium heat. Measure out your beeswax, and you're going to be placing these in the glass measuring cup or boiler and heat these until they're melted. Now you want to do it on low heat because we don't want to overheat them and cause damage. So, but once we get those melted, now we're going to want to bring them over to our table and go ahead and add in our essential oils and other ingredients and pour them into our containers. All right, so it's all nice and melted, and now we're ready to just let it cool just for about a minute while we get our other things ready. All right, so we're going to be using 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Rachel, you want to go ahead and do that? Made it. Okay. And we need 2 teaspoons of our jojoba. Yeah, we're going to need to stir it. Alright, so we're going to be using 8 drops of frankincense. I'll let you go ahead and add that in. Eight drops of lavender. There's no more. And we're going to do 6 drops of geranium. 6 drops of Helichrysum. And 4 drops of tea tree. If you don't have Helichrysum, and I know that's a very expensive oil, then you can just use 2 to 3 more drops of the Frankincense essential oil. Okay, so now we're ready to pour into our containers, and let's just see, you're going to use a tiny one?
I don't think we have enough for the big one,
okay.
So we'll try that. Oh yeah. Just enough. Started getting perfect. Alright.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's almost ready. Love this. Smells so great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for our next video. See you then.